Children, it is a continuation of the chapter Squares and Square Roots. Now let us discuss about the method of finding the square of a number. The square of small numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on can be easily find out. But it is little bit difficult to find the square of greater number. How will you find the square of a given number without multiplying? Without actual multiplication, you can use two methods. One is the method in which the given number is splitted into two numbers. That is by splitting the given number in terms of the sum of two numbers. In terms of the sum of two numbers. And the second one is the square of the number containing 5 in units place. Now let us use the first method, that is by splitting the given number in terms of the sum of two numbers. Now let us take one example. Find the square of 39. So you take 39 square. 39 square, and 39 can be expressed as a sum of 30 plus 9. So 39 square is equals to what? 30 plus 9 whole square. 30 plus 9 whole square means that is a product of 30 plus 9 and 30 plus 9. 30 plus 9 and 30 plus 9. Now you find the product of these two numbers, 30 plus 9 into 30 plus 9. And first you multiply the second one by 30. 30 into 30 and 30 into 9. So you write 30 into 30 is 30 into 30 is 30 square. What it is? It is 30 square. Then plus 30 into 9. 30 into 9. Next you take 9 and multiply each term by 9. 9 into 30. It is 9 into 30. Next one is 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is 9 square. That is 9 square. Then 30 square, 3 square is 9. 30 square is 900. In here 1 0 is there. In its square there are 2 zeros. So 900. 30 square is 900 plus 3 9s are 27. 30 9s are 270. Plus 9 3s are 27. 9 30s are 270. And 9 square. 9 square is 81. 9 into 9, that is 81. Now you add 900, 270, 270 and 81. 900, 270, 270, 81. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 0 plus 7 plus 7, 14 plus 8, 22. And 2 carry here. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. So you got 1521. That is 39 square equals 1521. Next you take one more example. 42 square. 42 is 40 plus 2. 42 square equals 40 plus 2 whole square. Again 40 plus 2 whole square means 40 plus 2 into 40 plus 2. Then you do the term by term multiplication, that is 40 into 40. 4 4s are 16 and 2 zeros here. Also you can write it as 40 square. 40 square plus 40 into 2. So you write 40 into 2. 40 into 2. Then you multiply 40 plus 2 by 2. So it is 2 into 40. 2 into 40 plus 2 into 2 is 2 square. It is 2 square. That equals 40 square. 4 square is 16. 40 square is 1600 and 40 into 2 is 80. 2 into 40 is also 80 plus 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4 and find the sum of this 4. You will get 1600 plus 80 plus 80 4. You will get 4 and 8 plus 8 16. 1 carry 16 plus 1 is 17. So you got 42 square equals 1764 you got. What is the square of 42? That is 1764. Next one is square of the number containing 5 in its unit place. Square of the number containing 5 in the unit place. Now let us take one example. 15 square. 15 square is 15 into 15, that is 225, and by using the pattern of the numbers, square of the pattern of the number which is having the unit digit 5, here the second number is 5 square, you write 5 square plus 1 is there, that's next number is 1 into 2 into, that is 1 into 2 is into 100 you get. 1 into 2 100. So that becomes 1 into 2 is 2 into 100 is 200 plus 5 square is 25. Then 15 square equals 200 plus 25 is 225. 225. This is first one example. Next let us take second one. Second one is you take 25 square. Then it is common 5 square. Here 2 is there. 2 into its next number 3 into 100. 2 into 3 into 100. So here 6 it is. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 100 is 600 plus 5 square is 25. So 25 square equals 600 plus 25, 625. 25 square is 625. Then you take the third one. You take 35 square. That is 5 square here. And the 3 into the next number is 4 into 100. Then 3 4s are 12. 12 into 100 is 1200. That is 1200 plus 5 square is 25. The sum of these two is 35 square equals 1200 plus 25 is 1225. 1225. Next, you take the next one. So you take fourth one, 45 square. It is 5 square here. 4 into next number is 5 into 100. Then 4 5s are 20. 20 into 100, 2000. 20 into 1 is 20. Next 2 zeros. Then 5 square. So 45 square equals 5 square is 25. You write here 25. So 2025. What it is? It is 2025. 45 square is 2025. Next you take fifth one. One more example you take 65 square. Then you take here 6 into 7 into 100 plus 5 square. 6 into 7 into 100 plus 5 square. 6 7s are 42. 42 into 100. 42 into 100 is 4200. That is 4200 plus 5 square is 25. So 65 square equals 42,000. 4200 plus 25 is 4225. Next you take 65 square. Seventh one. 75 square you take. 75 square equals 7 into next number 8 into 100 plus 5 square. Then 7 8s are 56. 2 zeros. 56 into 100 is 5600, that is 5600 plus 25. So it is 75 square equals 5625. What it is? It is 75 square is 5625. Next you take one more example. 185 square. 185 square. You take this whole 18 into 19 into 100 plus 5 square. 18 into 19. That is 19 is a 152. 19 on the 19. 19 plus 5, 24 plus 10, 34. So you will get 342 into 100. That is 34200. 34200. 34,200 plus 25. So 185 square equals 34,200 plus 25 is 34,225. Next one, 125 whole square. Here 12 is there. 12 into next number is 13. So you write 12 into 13 into 100. 12 into 13 into 100 plus 5 square. 12 into 13 is 156. 15600. 12 into 13 is 156. 15600 is 15600. That is 15,600 plus 25. 15,600 plus 25 is 15,625. 15,625. So 125 square is 15,600. Next let us take 95 square. 95 square. 9 into next number 10 into 100 plus 5 square. 9 into 10 is 90. 90 into 100, 9,000 plus 5 square, 25. Then it is 95 square equals 9,025. 9,025. Next number, so this is 10th one. Then you take the 11th one. That is 105 square. 105 square. 10 is here. So 10 into next number 11. 10 into 11 into 100 plus 5 square. That is 10 into 11 is 110. 11000. 11,000 plus 25. Then 105 square is 11,025. 11,000 plus 25 is 11,025. Next you take the 12th one, 205 square. 205 square. 20 is there. Its next number is 21. 20 into 21 into 100 plus 5 square. 21 2s are 42. So it is 420 into 00. 420 into 100 is 42,000 plus 5 square is 25. Then 2005 square equals 42,000 plus 25 is 42,025. Now about the Pythagorean triplets. Triplets means it is a set of 3 numbers. The set of 3 numbers is called Pythagorean triplets if the square of the greatest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers. If the square of the greatest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers, then the three numbers are said to be Pythagorean triplets. And you can use a form to find the Pythagorean triplets for any natural number greater than 1. For a natural number greater than 1. For any natural number m greater than 1, we have 2m whole square plus m square minus 1 whole square equals m square plus 1 whole square. Then the numbers 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplets. Here the greatest number is m square plus 1. The square of this greatest number is equals to the sum of the squares of 2m and m square minus 1. By taking any one number, and it is possible to get the other two number by using this relation. Now let us take some example here. So you take the given number is, to find the Pythagorean triplets, one number will be given. Here out of 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1, one number will be given. By using that number, we will get the remaining two numbers. For example, you take one example. Find Pythagorean triplet. Find a Pythagorean triplet in which a smallest number is 8. Smallest number is 8. Now here, out of 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1, first let us have m square minus 1. So let us consider m square minus 1 is the smallest number. M square minus 1 equals 8. Then m square equals, you will get 8 plus 1 equals 9. So m square equals 9 means m equals root 9, that you got 3. M value you got 3. Now m square minus 1 is 8. Now the next one is, you find 2m. 2m is 2 into 3 equals 6. Next one is m square plus 1. M square plus 1 is, m is here. I have taken 3. That is 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Here the given number is, the smallest number 8 is given, and the other two numbers are 2m, that is 6, m square plus 1, 10. So the three numbers are, what you are going to get here, 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. But here you got the number which is less than 8 also. So here 8 is not the number for this. So let us have the one more pair here. But 8 is not the smallest. This is a Pythagorean triplet, but 8 is not the smallest. Here the smallest is 6. Now next triplet, other triplet, let us find here. Other triplet. Now here you took here m square minus 1 equals 8. Now you take 2m equals 8. So let us take, let 2m equals 8, then m equals 8 by 2 equals what? 4. M equals 8 by 2, 4 you got. Then you take the number m square minus 1. M square minus 1 is 4 square minus 1, that equals, m square minus 1 equals 4 square minus 1. 4 square is 16 minus 1 equals 15. So you got the other number 15. As you have taken 8 is the one number. Next let us take m square plus 1 equals 4 square plus 1, that is 16 plus 1 equals 17. So here the three numbers are, one is 8, it is given, we have taken this as the smallest number. Next one is 15, the next one is 17. So you got, then the triplet is 8, 15 and 17, as here 8 is the smallest number, as 8 is the smallest number. This one 6, 8, 10 is also Pythagorean triplet, but the condition is here, they said that the smallest number is 8. So if you consider the smallest is m square minus 1, then you will get the set of Pythagorean triplet is 8, 6, 10, but here you got the smallest 6. So this is not the required set. The required set is here 8, 15, 17. Now let us take the next one question here. Find the Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 5. Here the forms are m square minus 1, 2m and m square plus 1. Let us consider the one number m square minus 1 equals 5. That implies m square equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. So you got m equals root 6, which is not a integer, which is not an integer. Next you take 2m equals 5. 2m equals 5 implies m equals 5 by 2 equals, you will get 2.5. This is also not an integer. Now you take m square plus 1 equals 5. That implies m square equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. So m square equals 4. M equals root 4 equals 2. So we got m equals 2. So this is okay. So one number that is m square plus 1 is okay. So you got the m value is 2. Then you find m square minus 1 and 2m. Therefore you can have m square plus 1 equals 5. So you got the integer here. Is an integer. Now you would find m square minus 1. That is m is 2 here. You take 2 square minus 1 equals 2 square is 4 minus 1 equals 3 you got. Next number 3. Then 2m. That is 2 into m is 2 equals 4. So the three numbers are m square minus 1 is 3, 2m is 4, m square plus 1 is 5. So the triplet is, therefore the Pythagorean triplet is Triplet is 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5.